Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meds by Dr. K. Today we will make DIY face masks for glowing skin. Face masks are like a little spa day for your skin, and they can truly transform your glow. When I first started my skincare journey, I was amazed at how a simple mask could make such a difference. For glowing skin, look for ingredients like honey, which hydrates and brightens, or turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Clay masks are fantastic for detoxifying, pulling out impurities, and leaving your skin fresh and radiant. These masks are easy to make with simple ingredients at home. Let's get started. For our first mask, we need 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix the honey and lemon juice in a bowl. Honey makes your skin soft, and lemon brightens your skin. Apply the mix on your face, leave it for 15 minutes, and rinse with warm water. Do this once a week. For our second mask, we need 2 tablespoons of yogurt and a pinch of turmeric. Mix yogurt and turmeric in a bowl. Yogurt hydrates your skin, and turmeric helps with glow and reduces redness. Apply the mix on your face, leave it for 20 minutes, and rinse with cool water. Do this once a week. For our third mask, we need 1 ripe banana and 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. Mash the banana in a bowl, add oatmeal, and mix well. Banana nourishes the skin, and oatmeal soothes and softens the skin. Apply the mix on your face, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, and rinse with warm water. Do this once a week. Let's talk about some important tips for glowing skin. Drink plenty of water every day, eat fresh fruits and vegetables, and get enough sleep at night. Thank you for watching. Try these masks and share your results in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tips. See you next time.